Here we got an interesting setup. We got this Kohler heading onto the siding under a slow order because they're working on it. And then down there we have an airframe hauler where the second motor is a red lease motor I've never seen. And then behind the airframe hauler, sitting on the tracks, is another one. It's quite an interesting little conundrum thing going on here. You can see well, that yellow blur to the left of the lower left right light is the engineer standing at the steps. I suspect waiting for the all clear to climb on.